Do you find yourself stuck when using prepositions in English? Imagine speaking without ever worrying about getting them wrong again. Stick with me to master the basics of prepositions and sound more natural in your English conversations. Hello and welcome to SAH English Insights, where we break down complex English concepts into simple lessons that you can easily master. I'm Syed Afzal Hussain, and today we're going to dive into one of the trickiest areas of English grammar, prepositions. Whether you're a beginner or have been speaking English for years, prepositions can sometimes feel like a puzzle, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand the most common prepositions and how to use them correctly in everyday conversations. So let's get started. 1. Preposition in, meaning. In refers to something being inside a space or a place. Usage. We use in when something is enclosed or surrounded by something else. Example, she is in the room. Explanation. Here the person is inside the room, fully enclosed by the space of the room. 2. Preposition on, meaning. On refers to something being in contact with a surface. Usage. We use on when something is resting upon a surface. Example, the book is on the table. Explanation. In this example, the book is placed directly on the surface of the table. 3. Preposition at, meaning. At refers to a specific point or location, often used for places and events. Usage. We use at to specify an exact location or a time. Example, I'll meet you at the bus stop. Explanation. At indicates a specific point in space where the meeting will take place, in this case, the bus stop. 4. Preposition under, meaning. Under refers to something located below or beneath another object. Usage. We use under to show that something is positioned below something else. Example, the cat is under the table. Explanation. This means the cat is beneath the table, covered or surrounded by the space below it. 5. Preposition over, meaning. Over refers to something that is higher than or above another object. Usage. Over shows that something is above and often covers or moves across something else. Example, the plane flew over the mountains. Explanation, the plane was above the mountains, flying at a higher elevation. 6. Preposition between, meaning. Between refers to a position in the middle of two objects or places. Usage. We use between when talking about two objects or people. Example, the ball is between the two chairs. Explanation, the ball is placed in the middle of the two chairs, forming a boundary between them. 7. Preposition behind, meaning. Behind refers to something being at the back of another object or person. Usage. We use behind to show that one thing is located at the rear or farthest side. Example, the car is parked behind the building. Explanation, the car is situated at the back of the building, not visible from the front. 8. Preposition next to, meaning. Next to means being very close or adjacent to something. Usage. Next to implies proximity with no significant distance between two things. Example, the coffee shop is next to the library. Explanation. The coffee shop is immediately adjacent to the library with no space between them. 9. Preposition in front of, meaning. In front of refers to a position before something or someone. Usage. We use in front of when something is located towards the front of something else. Example, the car is parked in front of the house. Explanation. The car is positioned ahead of the house, in front of it as viewed from the house. 10. Preposition by, meaning. By can mean next to, or it can also refer to the agent performing an action. Usage. By can be used to indicate proximity or to show how something is done. Example, the letter was sent by mail. Explanation. By here indicates the agent of the action, meaning the letter was sent using the mail system. 11. Preposition with, meaning. With shows association or presence together. Usage. We use with to show that something or someone is accompanied by another. Example, I went to the park with my friends. Explanation. This means that the speaker went to the park and their friends accompanied them. 12. Preposition for, meaning. For is used to indicate purpose, benefit, or duration. Usage. For helps describe why something is done or the intended recipient. Example, This gift is for you. Explanation. The gift is intended to be given to you, showing purpose. 13. Preposition to. Meaning, to shows movement or direction towards something. Usage. We use to when something is moving towards a destination or goal. Example. She is going to the store. Explanation. The movement is directed towards the store as the destination. 14. Preposition about. Meaning, about shows the topic or subject of something. Usage. We use about when discussing the subject of something. Example, the book is about history. Explanation. This means that the book discusses or focuses on history as its main topic. 15. Preposition during. Meaning, during is used to show when something happens within a period of time. Usage. We use during to express that something happens throughout a time frame. Example, I read a book during the flight. Explanation. The action of reading occurred throughout the duration of the flight. Now that you've learned the basics of the most common English prepositions, you can confidently use them in your daily conversations. Remember, prepositions are an essential part of speaking naturally, so practicing them is key to sounding fluent. If you want to dive deeper into more advanced prepositions and usage, be sure to check out our other videos on SAH English Insights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more helpful lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.